Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain what are accounts and how to add a new or existing account on your Ledger Live app. Ledger Live can be used with any Ledger device, like for example the Ledger Stacks or Ledger Nano X, as well as any other Ledger hardware wallet, right? To begin, go into the app, then you'll see assets and accounts, and if you go to accounts, you can see I have 3 here. And what are accounts? These are basically the types of network assigned to a certain wallet, which means you can see I have 2 Solanas here, because one of them is assigned to a public, to a different basically recovery phrase. I've made it on a different recovery phrase, and this is a different one, and they are both basically on blockchain, and they both can be used, of course. If you know about passphrases, if you don't know about them, you can watch a video, for example, on the Ledger Stacks, where I explain the passphrases on Ledger Stacks. Then if you have different accounts with different passphrases, then they should be separately added here. And to add a new or existing account, you will need to click on Add New or Existing Account, then select Use Your Ledger Device. Now select the asset. In my case, it will be Solana. Now I'm gonna unlock my device. I could also use that one, but I'm gonna use the stacks. And I'm gonna enter this pin because I have a passphrase on a different pin set, so that's also worth noting. If I open it, now let's let it load, and it will start looking for existing accounts on the blockchain. So if the wallet was used with that asset earlier, then there has to be an existing account on the blockchain. And if you want to access assets from that account, then you'll need to add the existing account. But if you don't have any, you'll need to create a new account. So you can see I don't have any account here, which means that I'll need to add a new one. But if you had any on this set, on this recovery phrase, on this wallet basically, with the same asset selected, so in this case Solana, then you'll see existing account at the top. You'll see its balance, and you'll have an option to add it. Then I'm gonna rename it. Let's name it Solana Test, because I'm gonna delete it later. Then confirm it, and I'm gonna close it. And now I have the account, and I can do transfers from different accounts. I can do the transfer from this one, from this one, from that one. And since this one at the top is associated with my wallet with a passphrase, and since I have the passphrase binded to a different pin on this device, then if I wanted to do a transfer from the private account, from the Solana private, that's what I've named it, I would have to relog into that other account. So if I want to make a transfer from Solana Test, which I have on the pin 1234, then I can do it by entering 1234. If I want to do it from the private one, I have it pinned to a pin 123456, and now I can make transfers from my Solana private, because that's how I have set it up. And now if I, for example, delete the Solana Test, this is the account that was created. If I delete it, then I can click on add new or existing account. I'm gonna relogin back to my 1234. I can use your Ledger device, Solana, my Ledger stacks, and now it'll start looking for any existing accounts on the blockchain, and there should be one, I believe. And I could add that or create a new one, but of course if you create a new one and don't add the account that was previously existing and it had any assets, then you won't have access to your assets unless you add that account again. And yeah, it again says new account, but it gave the name. It's probably because I actually deleted it. I'm not really sure how it works in the Ledger Live because it's always like different in different apps, but I'm gonna cancel it. But I hope I explained it enough, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.